Welcome doctors and healthcare professionals. We know how overwhelming it can be to keep up with the constant stream of patient data, medical records, billing, and compliance requirements. It's a lot to manage, right? Well, today, we're diving into how a virtual health information specialist, or VHIS, can be a game changer for your practice. You've got someone handling all that behind-the-scenes data management, medical records, coding, HIPAA compliance, all remotely, and seamlessly integrating into your existing systems. That's where a virtual health information specialist comes in. These professionals specialize in keeping your patient data accurate, organized, and secure, without the need for additional full-time staff. Think of it as outsourcing the nitty-gritty tasks so your team can focus on what really matters, patient care. Let's take a closer look at what a VHIS actually does. First, they'll manage your medical records, making sure every patient's information is up to date and easily accessible. Whether it's test results, medical histories, or treatment plans, they've got it covered. And let's not forget about the medical coding. VHIS professionals are experts in applying the right CAPTAN and ICD codes. That means fewer errors and, importantly, fewer claim denials. So you can rest easy knowing your billing is on point. And of course, compliance with regulations like HIPAA. A VHIS ensures that all your patient data is handled with the utmost care, safeguarding privacy and reducing the risk of costly penalties. So, how does all this work in practice? Well, I recently chatted with Dr. Joe, and he told me about his experience. Let's hear how he's been using a VHIS and what kind of difference it's made in his practice. Honestly, it's been a game changer. Since we started working with a VHIS from Staffingly, our administrative workload has dropped drastically. All the records, coding, and compliance work. Sounds amazing, right? But I know what you're thinking. How does this work remotely? I was skeptical at first too. But it's incredibly seamless. They work directly with our existing EHR system, and we get real-time updates on patient records. The VHIS integrates smoothly with your existing systems, so there's no added stress or disruption. You only pay for the services you need. But what about coding errors? You know, those pesky mistakes that lead to claim denials? Let's hear from Dr. Joe again. That's the biggest win. They're experts in medical coding, so we've seen a huge drop in claim denials. Plus, everything is HIPAA compliant, which gives me peace of mind. Not only does that improve cash flow, but it also helps to maintain smooth operations. And it's not just big practices that benefit, smaller ones can too. That sounds great. But is it affordable? My practice is a bit smaller, and I'm always trying to keep costs low. Outsourcing to a VHIS can actually save you money. Dr. Joe mentioned how they've cut administrative costs by nearly 40% since they started working with Staffingly. You only pay for what you need, so you're never locked into something you don't use. It's really about giving your practice the expert support it needs without the full-time commitment. In today's healthcare environment, managing all that patient data is critical. And as regulations change constantly, having a VHIS on your team ensures you stay compliant and avoid costly penalties. When you have organized, up-to-date records, it directly impacts how quickly you can make decisions, diagnose, and treat your patients. If your team is drowning in paperwork, struggling with coding errors, or just needs more time to focus on patient care, a VHIS could be just what you need. At Staffingly, we specialize in providing virtual health information specialists who are ready to integrate seamlessly into your practice. With expert support, custom solutions, and cost-effective options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow for more insights on healthcare outsourcing. And if you're ready to take the next step in improving your practice's data management, visit us at staffingly.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.